Yeah.
There's nothing quite like a great cocktail. It's pouring outside today, so we might well need a boat to get around. Perhaps an ark if it keeps this up. But being a sailor, I'm always coming up with or trying to find great cocktails. One of the ones that has become our absolute favorite is called the Boatyard Blast. And it starts with the most important component, which is a well-infused vodka. Right there. For this drink, you need a pineapple-infused vodka. So what you can do is go and buy plain old Smirnoff vodka, cheaper if you want, more expensive if you want, doesn't really matter. Find yourself a fresh, ripe pineapple. Slice it up, throw some pineapple in there, let it set for 48 hours or so. You're gonna have yourself a wonderfully infused pineapple vodka. So let's make this drink. I'll show you how this one works. The core components to this drink, of course, are the vodka, as we said, some cranberry juice cocktail, and the Yellow Edition Tropical Red Bull. Now, you might be thinking, what about regular Red Bull? Doesn't work, I've tried it. You need the tropical flavored Red Bull. I like to use a glass like this, about this size. It's got some color to it, you can see through it, really makes the drink kind of stand out, I think. The other thing that I like, big round ice ball. How do you get those? Buy yourself one of these. All it is it's made to freeze round ice balls. You can pop them out, throw them in a Ziploc bag, keep them in your freezer to use all the time. Now that you've got your glass with this nice giant piece of round ice in there, you're gonna grab your pineapple infused vodka and you're gonna go about halfway up the glass. Grab some cranberry juice cocktail, about 1/4 up the glass. Top it off with some chilled tropical Yellow Edition Red Bull. Grab yourself a stir stick, give it a quick stir. Cheers. Oh, it's absolutely delicious. It has, the pineapple really does come through, and the tropical Red Bull does enhance that pineapple flavor a little bit and gives it a zing, a little bit of a caffeinated kick, a little sugary kick. But then you've got the tartness of the cranberry that perfectly complements that pineapple vodka. I think you should give this one a try. It's called the Boatyard Blast. It's a Captain Bob special, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side of the cocktails.